Yes, back at the Buffalo Chip. And this Def Leppard is performing tonight, and they also have some stunts going on. There'll be some stunts tonight. There'll be a jump taking place right here. Right behind me. And there's also going to be a guy walking on a high wire. You can kind of see the high wire there. Apparently he's going to walk on that, and then another guy's going to jump a motorcycle over him at the, apparently, I think. Not 100% sure how they're going to do it, because where's all the people going to be? Oh well, I'll have to see. But yeah, back at the Buffalo Chip.
Or I'd be like, drop it. A showman if there ever was one.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
There we go. Make some fucking noise for these two. There we go. Oh my god, damn. They just hit it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay.
What is happening?
I'm about to shit myself all over again. Oh God, what's... Alright. He is summoning a chair. Look at this man. Yo, make some noise for Blake. Let him hear it, come on. I have no idea what this even is. I just know it fucking rules. Is he gonna scoop himself across the wire?
I see some divots in his chair feet right there. About the size of the wire that he's standing on. He's about to have the best seat in the house.
The best seat at the best party anywhere, Zach.
This is the new VIP section, by the way. V1P. The only person who can sit in this VIP section is, of course,
Oh my god, no way.
Blake.
Oh my
Uh-oh. No, Blake, what is this?
Oh man.
Oh, he looks so small. Oh my god.
Alright. This needs to be at halftime of every NBA game for the rest of eternity.
Oh my god.
Yeah, QR code and tip Blake.
It says the only way you can tip me over.
Okay, here we go. Is he doing what I think he's doing? My God! Okay, Blake. Oh, there you go. That's what you needed to do the whole time. Here we go. Wow, even his words are... I'll tell you what. Oh my God, yo, make some goddamn noise! Oh, I have anxiety right now. Yo, make some noise for him as we get to the very end. Yes, yes. Give it up for Blake Wallender.
Yes, the Buffalo Ship. Just got out of the concert and going to wrap up this video. It was a typical Buffalo Ship. But anyways, yeah, like I said, it's going to wrap up the video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.